Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long. So much stuff has been going on, but here we are, 2020, it's September. So today I'm doing an unboxing of some things that I bought from Sephora, and I'm excited. I've been shopping a lot, even though earlier in this year I said it was going to be a no spend year, but because everything has been crazy, I need to just enjoy myself, treat myself. Today, I'm unboxing my box from Sephora. I just opened it up. I did not go inside yet and see everything that I got. I ordered like 4 different orders from Sephora. Let me tell you why. Because it's free shipping over $35, and then a lot of the promotions they have is like, if you spend $35 or $25, you get this. You can't like double promotion, so I split my orders up. Like 35. As long as I get free shipping, I don't care. Yeah, they had a sale, and in the sale, I got a few things. It was like 50% off some items, so I just picked up things that I kind of needed, kind of wanted, and wanted to try. Okay, so the promotion that I got was, if you spend at least $35, you get to try this Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Pill. Okay, if you follow Shani Darden, which I do, and I love her products. I have her face system cleanser, moisturizing serum, and retinol. I love her. Her stuff works so good. If you follow her, then you'll know that one of her holy grails, or a product that she uses a lot in her nighttime routine, is this Dr. Dennis Gross this exfoliant. So basically they give you a week's worth to try. She sells it on her site, and obviously they sell it in Sephora, but you start with 1 and then 2, and basically you cleanse your face and then you use these pads. One is for exfoliating and smoothing, and then the other is an anti-aging neutralizer. So you use 1 and then you use 2. I was excited to see this because I was going to buy it off of her website, but then when they had this, if you spend $25, $35, whatever, you get 7 of these to try, so I can see how it reacts with my skin. It's a chemical exfoliant. It has AHAs and BHAs, vitamins and antioxidants all in one. And this is an example. Let me show you. This is an example of what it goes from this to this. So it's supposed to just like rejuvenate your skin. Ooh. So we'll see what happens. So I'm excited for this. This is a freebie. Okay. What else I have in my box? Oh, something else I got for free. I did use 300 of my points, but I got the Tatcha little duo set, the mini duo set. Inside of here, it comes with the deep cleanse, the cleanser. This is a good size. So it smells so good. It is a clarifying Japanese fruit extract for cleanser for normal to oily skin. I do have normal skin, so I'm excited about that. And then this is the water cream, the Tatcha water cream. I actually had another sample of this. I like it. I use it mainly, they give you a good amount. I love the way it smells. It's so creamy smelling. I use this when I go, like these little sample things, when I'm traveling, because I do travel a lot. So instead of me having little travel kit things or taking some of my actual cleanser that I use every day and putting it in a travel size thing, I just use these type of things. So this was 300 of my beauty reward points, so for this. Okay, so the things that I actually purchased, right? It's only 3. So I got this is my favorite mascara. I have the big size one. I usually use the big size one, but being as though I have so many different mascaras that I'm actually using right now, I didn't want to get a full size version and then it run out, or it starts to dry out, because if I don't use them consistently, I tend to get the brushes be dry or whatever. So I got the mini version. Better Than Sex by Too Faced. This is my favorite mascara. One coat, you're good to go. Love this. The next thing I got was this Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. It's a waterproof liquid liner in the color Trooper Black. I never tried her products before. So the thing is, her new products are all vegan. Super cool. So this was like $12 and it's originally like $24 or something like that. So I read the reviews. People said it was good, and they said it's really good for beginners. Ooh, I like it. So it's really black, but mostly I like the pen. I love that it's liquid and you don't have to worry about sharpening it, because all the liners that I've had have been pencil or a liner pot. Like my favorite liner pot would probably be the MAC fluid line thing, but you have to have a brush. This comes with a brush and the line is super, super crisp. So I like it. And it dried really fast. Huh. And it doesn't transfer. Oh, I like it. So this is something else that I super, super love. This is the Benefit Precision My Brow Pencil. I got this with the ultra fine tip. I got this in a 4.5 because I'm actually a 4, but I had it in my cart, and I guess I was shopping around too long, and it sold out that fast. It was 50% off. These are usually $24, and it was on sale for $12 for the full size, so I had to get it. Let me just tell you, this right here, I love this pencil. I used to use this pencil a lot when they had a 50% off sale before I tried it, and I love this. So anytime these go 50% off, I grab them. I don't really fill my brows in as much anymore because I actually got my brows microbladed, and so I don't have to fill them in. But then when I want to go out and I want my brow to be especially defined and super, super done looking, I'll grab for this. Actually, the one that I grab for now, because I ran out of this, is my NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil. And my favorite color is Espresso. Even though I kind of like the ash brown. Okay, yeah, this is ash brown. I'll either get ash brown, which is similar to like a 3.5 in this, where it's like a softer color. It's not too dark and deep. But then Espresso is super pungent, and you don't have to do as many strokes because it's darker. But I like ash brown for everyday natural. Espresso is more for my, I want to go out and I want my brows to be super, super dark. So yeah, so I've been using this. It usually have a cap on the bottom too, but I don't know where it's at. So I usually use this, but I love this. I ran out of this, and because it's $24, I do not repurchase this. This is only $10. But if I had to choose between the two, I definitely would pull for this one because it goes on super fast and dark. It lasts. It doesn't like rub off. So yeah. One more thing that I got from Sephora that I just want to put in here, even though it wasn't in this box. They're both Fenty, and I love them. Okay, so first we're going to start with the Fenty Glass Balm. And this is Gloss Balm and Glass Slipper. This I love. It's a super, super clear, glossy balm. You could put it over a color pencil or something like that if you wanted to add a little color. But just every day, just to have like that gloss, like that back in the day, 90s or early 2000s, super glossy lip. I love this stuff. So I think this is like $18 or something like that. And then the other thing that I have to talk about is this Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm. It's in Hint. I think that's the color. This right here is my absolute favorite thing. It comes in a wand. And okay, let me tell you what I love about this. It's so moisturizing, and so it doesn't give you that white ring inside your lip. It doesn't chap your lips out. It's amazing. The only thing that's comparable to this that I've been using for years is my Burt's Bees lip balm, beeswax lip balm in the original. I've been using this every single day for years, and it's my grab after I brush my teeth at nighttime before I go to bed. Boom, I'll put that on. But brush my teeth in the morning time before I do anything else, I'll put this on. It is so good. It gives you that same moisturizing feel without it being overwhelming or too thick, too cakey, anything like that. And then I love the fact that it has a applicator wand. I don't know why. It just goes on better. It lasts longer, and I love it. So yeah, that's my haul for now. Like I said, I have other boxes, so I'll be doing other hauls, but I'll demonstrate what this Kat Von D liner looks like on me. Actually, I'm gonna put it on and I'll come right back. Okay, so this is with the Kat Von D liner, gel liner, and one coat of the Better Than Sex mascara. My thoughts on this liner: I didn't love it. It was hard to put on. This side went on a little better, but this side, the tip of the brush started to get a little dry, and I had to shake it, and it just was splotchy, and it went on inconsistently. I had to keep going over the same parts, and then after I kept going over it, it started to take off a little bit of the color. I don't know. I would not repurchase this, but I mean, for $10, it's not that big of a deal. So this is a demo of these two on me. Let's just see if it matches my color. So you can see the difference between this and this one. This one has no pencil, and this one has the 4.5. So you can see a big difference. It's very dark and defined. Definitely something I would only use if I was like trying to go, like if I was out somewhere in the club or something. I feel like this is so weird. I have to do the other one. Okay. So that's me trying on my 3 products that I've just purchased from Sephora. So I didn't intend on doing a try on, but a demo. But this is where we at. So yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. This is the final look. The demo for these 3. Like I said, I won't even repurchase this again, but these 2, yeah. This color is a little darker than I'm used to, but I like it. It's for it's a vibe. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.